Ball in.
That shit.
Looking like Rick Ross and shit. Lemon pepper. Wings.
Knockdown.
That's all.
Backboard.
Oh, I
Go. The matchup right here. Oh.
All that baby.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Don't worry about it.
Ball came right to me. That's something right in my
Y'all see that? It's a negative.
Good shit, Mike.
That's what it was?
Mike got 17 rebounds on one player. Let's go. Get that.
Yeah, I would say same.
Watch it.
I can't check you.
Lock this up, Shane.
That's all. It did. I ain't let them score this one.
Oh, whoa, excuse me. Oh yeah. Oh.
What's that?
2-zip.
That's not an and-one. That's good defense, Mike.
That shit locked up right there, son. That shit locked up.
Easy.
No, you that close, go up.
Easy.
I'm looking for the shot now.
That was on me, Mike.
That sound like it hurt.
6.
6-2, y'all come on.
Get Low involved. He don't got nobody on him. Low got nobody on him. Oh. Don't give up to him no more.
See, Shane, he honest, man. He gives them the ball, bro.
Who checking that, yo? Let's.
Fucking agent had me laugh.
What score?
9-2. That's a big shot here. Mike, man.
Big shot
Good.
Here it is.
My fault.
Let's go, Mike. Shoot that. Shoot that. Shoot his eyeball out, Mike. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Man, I see it.
That right here. Knockdown. Thank you.
Come on, Lo. Come on. Come left. Right.
Oh. Got.
Yeah. He just bumped you.
Who ball?
How's our ball? 9-2. Yo. It's only 9-2, fellas. We still here. What's up? That's my fault. Hold on. Roll on that, Lo, so I can find you.
Ball in, yup.
Oh, good. That was all ball, too. Buckets. Oh.
You say that's all? Okay, you see that, right? That's a negative. Let's go. 9-4.
Ball in.
Mike, the only one score for y'all? Mike, the only one scoring for y'all? Yeah.
If not, I'm.
Yeah, y'all gotta call it, man. Y'all can't even be expecting integrity out here anymore.
Good D.
Oh.
Different
had a good set.
Right. Get him.
Oh, a bouncer would have been perfect.
Don't worry about it. Come on, man. Get your head. Let's go.
9-4, let's go.
It's only 9-4, y'all. Let's go, man.
Mike, why you yelling?
That's it. Stay strong. Why, buddy? Hurry up before they go.
Oh, wow.
Yep. Good communication. Say, I got it. That's a bad. That's right. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Crazy.
Huh.
That's my fault.
Oh, you.
Oh, one more.
Yes, sir. Yeah, exactly.
Yes, Ian, where the ball?
Ball in.
38. Beiß. Left one up. Beiß.
Hold on, Mike.
Beiß.
In the shade.
11, they got 11.
I didn't score? Yeah, I scored that late.
Yeah.
Oh, 11. Sorry, 7-11.
Mm-hmm.
Come get it.
That's the one.
Good take. 11-9.
11-9, yo. Ball in.
Yep. Get it, grab it. Yeah.
Anytime, man.
Get out.
Oh, God. Oh.
Call it.
13.
39. Oh, yeah, let me get out. Easy money.
Oh, excuse me.
That's off.
Yo.